Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do something interesting and something that I have been waiting to do, nativity scene. Now to make nativity scene, we need to make two parts of it. First part wherein we are going to make the nativity characters, that is Mary, Jesus, Mary, Joseph, Jesus, the three wise men, the angels, the shepherd man, the star, and then we need to make the shade. Now to begin with, this video is going to have two parts. The part 1 where I'll be making all the nativity characters, and part 2 where I'll be making the shade with the animals and everything. So let's begin with the part 1 to make the characters. Now to make these characters, what we need is a soft cardboard which I took from the cereal packet or cereal box. Table tennis balls. If you don't have these, you can take the foam balls, or you can go with the newspaper ones. Third one, we are going to need something called as craft felt. Now here I am using craft felt. You can go ahead and you can use paper, or also you can use some cloths that you have. Here I have them in different colors. If you see, I have them in different colors. Then we are also going to need this strings. If you can see, I have a black and I have two silver colors. I am also going to require some thread. Here I took the white color thread, and this is the jute ribbon, jute cord or jute ribbon. I'm also going to require some shining tape or shining strip or ribbon, as I have over here. And I'm also going to require some silver aluminium foil. And last but not least, we are also going to require 2 white papers, 1 gold paper. So let's get started on this craft. I have my storyline here, and we will need a structure. And to make this structure, what we are going to do is we are going to take a strip of cardboard paper, and we are going to roll it into a cone. Now while making a cone, usually you would make a cone that is thin at the top side. So here we are going to keep it little bit open. We don't completely close, and we make it as thick as possible. So once that is done, I go ahead and I put a glue over here, and I cut the extra part. Now I cut the extra part from here, and I also cut the extra part from down, and as usual cut some at the sides so this stands properly. So now if you see, we have our body of whatever character you want to do. Now before going ahead, what I'll do is I'll fill in whatever gaps are required. Since this is a structure, it needs to be pretty strong. Once we have done this one, let's go ahead and let's make few of this. Now here I have made few of them. Now if you see, I tried to make them from different types of paper. This was from the plain box paper, which was little bit soft, and this is from the popcorn box, and this is from the cereal box, and this is also from the popcorn box. So I made some of the structures. Now the second part of it is we have to make their heads. Now let's take wise men, and then let's move to Mary and Jesus. Now once you have done that, we need to fix this over here. So I go ahead and I trim little bit of the top of it. Now once I have the top of it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this ball over here. our ball, we are going to go ahead and we are going to put it over on the cone, and see to it that you hold it for some time. If you think that it is not strong enough, just go ahead and put more glue and see to it that it's strong enough and it doesn't come out. Now once you have this, let's go ahead and make 2 more. Now if you see, we have our structures ready. Now when you are making the structure, see to it that once the structures are done, they should be able to stand. If a particular structure is not standing, just go ahead and trim a little part of it from below. So all the sides are same and they stand pretty much. So now if you see, our structures are ready. So let's make, this is going to be the wise man, this is going to be Mary, Jesus and a shepherd boy, and we are going to make angels in some another way. So let's get started on these ones first. So first let's go about the wise man. Now I take a blue craft felt, and then I'm also going to take a light color craft felt. Say suppose we take yellow and blue. Now we are going to need 2 craft felts. So take the cloth scissor and cut the blue craft felt. I have cut some rectangle craft felts out from the 3 colors, that is 2 in blue and 1 in yellow. So let's go ahead and do this. So first what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and we are going to cover the body of it into the craft felt. Now while doing this, what you need to do is, you don't have to tie it very tightly. You need to make it little bit loose, like it feels like a cloth that is draped around their body. So please try to keep it loose. Let me show you. Here is a first layer of cloth that we put on him. The second cloth that we are taking, we are going to drape it in this way. Like you take the cloth from behind and you only put it at the ends. See, this is the way it should be done. So let's go ahead and do it. We are going to take the third blue color that we cut, and we are going to go ahead and we are going to put it on his head, and we are going to cover his head. Now whatever the extra part is remaining, you can go ahead and you can tuck it behind his head. We are going to go ahead and we are going to tuck this behind his head. Now if you see, we have our wise man and we have his clothes. Now to go ahead and we are going to grab some of the strings that we saw, and we are going to go ahead and decorate the doll. That we have his dress done, let's go ahead and make a crown for him. Now to make the crown, what we are going to do is, we are going to take the measurement of his head and we are going to go ahead and cut a little strip out of it. Now that you have a little strip out of a gold paper, we are going to go ahead and we are going to fold it into two, and we are going to cut some triangles. Once you have cut some triangles out of the gold paper, we are going to go ahead and we are going to fold it at the bottom. Now, once you have folded it at the bottom, gold string, we are going to go ahead, take some gold string and put it over here at the bottom of the crown. Now let's go ahead and let's put the crown over his head. Here. So let me go ahead and glue this together. Now if you see, our traveler is, or the wise men that were traveling is ready. Now what you can do is, if you want, you can go ahead and sketch, take a black marker and then sketch some details on the face. Now if you see, our wise man is ready. So let me go ahead and make two more of these and show you. You see, we have our all three wise men ready. Look how beautiful it looks. Let's go ahead and make Mary and Joseph and Jesus. Now to make Mary and Joseph, what we are going to do is, we are going to go ahead and take a similar type of cloth and we are going to put them into a same kind of clothes. Only the overalls or the overcoat or the blanket that they are covered will be different. So now what we do is, we choose a neutral color, that is a cream color, and we are going to measure this and cut. So let's go ahead and let's cover them first. Now, when you are making these things, a little detailing is required. So first thing what we are going to do is, we are going to cover them into the cloths that we just cut. We are going to cover them similar to the wise men. We are going to go ahead and cover them. Mary and Joseph are ready. Now to make the head piece for Joseph, what we are going to do is, we are going to place him exactly in the middle of the cloth, and first we are going to go and cover his front of the face. We are going to go ahead and put it at the back. So we are going to take this jute and we are going to make him a head piece out of it. So this, if you see, this is a jute. This I have taken here a jute cord that I had in hand. If you don't have this one, you can take a plain jute also, the jute thread that comes. Now here we are going to go for 2 rounds. 1 round, and then we are going to the second round. Now if you see, I have made the Joseph ready. So let's make Mother Mary out of this one. Now again I'm taking a little bit piece for her head. Again we'll repeat the same thing. Created. You saw that I folded them and tucked them here, whereas for her I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now our Mary and Joseph ready. So let's make some features. For Mary, I took a red marker and I marked her lips in red. So here it is, guys, our Joseph and Mary are ready. So let's make a shepherd boy. If you see, we have our shepherd boy, we have our all the characters ready.
Now let's go ahead and let's make baby Jesus and some angels.
We are going to need some tissue paper and we are going to need some silver foil. And we are going to make it into a ball. Now once you have made it into a ball, you take a piece of tissue paper and you go around over it. Now before going over it, what we are going to do is we are going to take a bit of cardboard and we are going to make the body of the baby. Now to make the body of the baby, what we are going to do is we are going to just roll the cardboard into a and we are going to put it over here on the ball. So let's do that. Silver foil. Now we are going to go ahead and we are going to cover this into a white tissue paper. So once we have covered this into the tissue paper, it should look like this. Now what we do is that, as you see, I've taken it over here and we are going to wrap this baby into a white craft felt. Now before putting him into white craft felt, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll see, this is the way the baby should be looking. So we go ahead and we cut the craft felt into the length of the baby. Now let's go ahead and let's cover this baby. One thing this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take now I took some green color and I'm going to again cover the baby into the green. Our baby Jesus is ready. So let's, if you want, you can leave him this way, or you can go ahead and give some features. So here is our baby ready. So now what we are going to do is we are going to also go ahead and make some angels. Now to make these angels we need a white paper. Now what we are going to do is we are going to divide this whole paper into two parts. So if you see, there is one that is a bigger part and one that is a smaller part. So let's go ahead and cut this. Now once we have these two parts, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to start putting the folds on the white paper. Once I have done this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into, we are going to go ahead and cut this into a round shape. So when you open it, it looks like this. So now once you have cut into the round shape, what we are going to do is we are going to leave the last folded papers open, and then what we are going to do is we are going to make some patterns on this one. Now what to make patterns, what we do is we go ahead and we cut a small circles everywhere. Once I have cut patterns out of all this, we are going to go ahead and we are going to tie this at the one end of the paper that we just folded. Now, once we have done this, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to take the other paper and also fold that into the strips. Once we have folded this into strips, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and again we are going to cut a curve out of this one end of the strip, and another end we are going to go ahead and we are going to fold it. See, we are folding this one end while we are opening the other end. See, so now this one will go over here. Same way, let's do the other side. Now to give her head, what we are going to do is take a card paper and cut a circle out of it. I'll put it here and let's stick all these things together. Now if you see, what I did was I went ahead and I pasted them together, and this is how it looks. Now to add little bit more features. What we are going to do is we are going to take the silver thread that I showed you in the beginning. So we are going to add some details to our angel and also create some head piece for the angel.
Now if you see, our angel is pretty much ready. If you want, you can go ahead and use it as it is, but I am going to include some hairs for the angel. Let's see how it's done.
Now for making hairs for the angel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the white thread and I'm going to go over my finger a couple of rounds, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a knot at the first, and then we are going to cut it to look like a hairs. So once I've put some hairs, so if you see, I put a silver band first, but my hairs weren't looking good because of the knot. So what I'm doing is I removed that and I put the hairs first, and now I'm going to fix the head piece. Now, once we have this, we can go ahead and give some features to her. Our angel is ready. So these were the all characters that we need for the nativity set. So let's go ahead and see our nativity set.
Thank you for watching the video till end. Please share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button. See you soon in part 2.